Hi everyone, welcome to C-Ray Diecast for another diecast unboxing. Big shout out to all my subscribers, hope everyone's doing fine. On today's video it's another diecast unboxing. This time it's the Australian Cars, the collection number 14, and it's this beautiful yellow 1970 Holden HG Monaro 350 GTS, and it looks absolutely stunning. Again, it comes with this nice magazine with road tests of the period and facts and figures about the car and how many were produced. This one's got the 350 engine, which is 224 brake horsepower or 300 kilowatts. And I did see, it's got drum brakes at the front. I would have thought with a big V8 it would have discs, but unfortunately not. Must have been an option. It's got wheels road tests comparing it with an LH Tirana, and there's another road test. It's surprising what they pick up in these road tests. They're quite interesting. I like reading through all of them. And then a comparison to the last Holden Monaro, the CV8. More. Then the introduction of the Trimatic automatic transmission, which debuted in this HG series. Before that there was only Powerglide 2-speeder, which is unbelievable. That they said the Trimatic improves performance on these engines. And then love these HG Broughams, they're a beautiful car. I've got a couple of 1/43rd scale versions of these in my collection as well. And then on the back it's the next release, which is this XR Falcon in like a army green or a green metallic. Looks really nice, can't wait for that one to come out. So yeah, they're really bringing out some favourites of mine. So look at this Monaro, it looks absolutely stunning. It's got the nice redline tyres, those awesome hubcaps. So it's got a yellow interior, nice instrumentation and steering wheel, windshield wipers, hood scoops and lensed headlamps, a nice HG grille with a bit of black wash and inserted indicators, and the back, black decal between the tail lamps, and they're lensed as well. This one's got quad exhaust, I'm not sure if that's correct. And the nice little circular driver's rearview mirror. Let's have a look, see if we can get inside. It's got the console shifter there. Chrome around the windows. This is a pillarless coupe, and it's a really stunning model. And side air vents on the fenders, and the big 350 badge on the leading edge of the front fender. These are just amazing, these models, you know, I can't get over them. Paintwork's pretty good. It's a pastel yellow, not metallic. Yeah, we're getting spoilt for choice now over here in Australia. You know, it was either feast or famine. Now with all of these cars coming out, we're bound to get a nice car at least every fortnight. And it's got the chrome fuel filler cap. Yeah, this is spectacular. Very, very happy to have that one. I think I've got a couple of the HKs and HG Monaros, but I do have a lot of the Brahms and Statesmans and Premiers, wagons. I think they're resin ones, a couple of metal ones, but this is just a gorgeous example. So what do you guys think? I really like it. It's a gorgeous casting. So once again, just a short video just to get these out there to show everyone. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up so my videos will get shared with other YouTubers who collect diecast. And we'll see you on another video. So thanks again for watching, and bye for now.